Hello students, welcome to all in my class, and in this class we will discuss the difference between mass and weight. Okay, difference between mass and weight. Okay, very good. But before it, those who are the new students, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Okay, now come to the points. We have questions, that is the difference between mass and weight. Yes, what is the difference between? Difference, that means you know that the mass and mass we measure in, what is the SI unit of mass? Mass we measure in kg. Mass we measure in kg. Very good. And weight, what is the weight? Weight we measure in newtons. How you will weight? Because weight equal to, we know that's mg, m, that is the kg, and acceleration due to gravity, so here will be meter per second square. So meter, so you can write here, this is the equal to newton. Okay, so very good. And you know that the mass, this cannot be, okay, mass, you know that mass and weight, if you will take the one be 0, another cannot be 0. Why? Mass cannot be 0, but the weight can be 0. Why? It will be 0 because you know that sometimes the acceleration increases and decreases. Due to that, the weight may be 0. Okay. So first point I have written, it is the measure of inertia. Inertia means what? Inherent force. Inertia means inherent force. The first law or law of inertia already we have discussed. What is the Newton first law? You know Newton first law? It states that everybody in this universe are always in their own state while there is not applied external force. That was no? You have written. Okay, very good. So you know that the inertia, this is the measure of inertia. What? Mass. Mass is the measure of inertia. While the weight is measure of the gravity. Gravity means what? You know that our earth, it exerts a force towards its own surface whenever you toss anything. You may be experienced that. So this is the measure of gravity. Measure of gravity, that is the weight, and measure of inertia, that is the mass. Can we write here? Okay, very good. Second, we have, it is a scalar quantity. But before it, you know that the quantity. Quantity means anything that can be measured directly or indirectly. You have two quantity, a scalar and vector. A scalar means the quantity which having only magnitude but no direction. Okay, just like example, a speed is a which quantity? A scalar quantity, while velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, so I have written yes, a scalar, this is the scalar quantity. It do not having the direction. Okay, another, see here, it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means the quantity which having magnitude as well as direction, just like force. Okay, just like force, acceleration, like that. Okay, next, third I have taken here, it can be 0 for any material body. You know that for material body it may be 0, but it cannot be 0. Okay, next, it is an essential property. One is the essential, but it is not the essential property. These are the conditions. And another you can write this, it is a constant quantity, and one is the variable quantity. Variable, it may be increase or decrease. Okay, so these are the difference between mass and weight. You should write this one, that's the important questions. Okay, basically students, 9th and 11th students, you should write these ones. Either you can take the captures on mobile. Okay, so thank you, you should write this one. Okay.